If you're seeing Epic Games error code 2503 or 2502, don't worry, you're not alone. These errors usually happen during installation when Windows runs into a permissions issue, a corrupted installer, or a problem with security software blocking the setup process. In this video, I'll walk you through a simple step-by-step fix so you can get Epic Games installed properly and get back to gaming as quickly as possible. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is restart your computer. This sounds basic, but it can clear temporary system glitches that may be interfering with the installer. A fresh restart gives Windows a clean start and can often fix small background issues that cause installation errors like 2503 and 2502. After your computer comes back on, try the installer again and see if the problem is gone. If the error is still showing up, the next step is to temporarily disable your antivirus software. Sometimes antivirus programs can mistakenly block the Epic Games installer or stop it from writing files properly. Open your antivirus app and pause real-time protection for a short time while you complete the install. Just remember, this is only temporary and you should turn it back on as soon as you're done. If you're using Windows Security, you can also check whether any protection setting is interfering with the setup process. Now that your antivirus is out of the way, the next thing to do is re-download the Epic Games installer. If the file you downloaded earlier is corrupted, incomplete, or outdated, that alone can cause error code 2503 or 2502. Go to the official Epic Games website, download a fresh copy of the installer, and save it to your computer again. Once the new file finishes downloading, run it as administrator by right-clicking it and selecting Run as Administrator. This gives the installer the permissions it needs to make changes on your system. If the installation still fails after that, make sure you're installing from a location with proper permissions, such as your desktop or downloads folder, and avoid running the installer from a restricted folder or external drive. It also helps to close unnecessary apps in the background before trying again, because some programs can interfere with Windows installer actions. At this point, if the Epic Games installer opens normally, let it finish the setup and confirm that the launcher installs without any error messages. Once it's installed, you can open Epic Games and sign in as usual. If you had paused your antivirus, don't forget to turn it back on right after the process is complete. That final step is important for keeping your computer protected. So to quickly recap, if you want to fix Epic Games error code 2503 or 2502, first restart your computer, then temporarily disable antivirus, and finally re-download the installer before running it again as administrator. In many cases, that is enough to solve the issue and get everything working again. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.